Hi everyone, welcome to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to enroll for online banking in Firstrust. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up a web browser. In the address box at the top, type in www.firsttrust.com and enter. Right after you do that, you'll end up in the home page of Firstrust Bank, which looks like this. If you already have an account and you'd like to log in, you can click on the sign in button at the upper right hand corner, which will open up a pop-up menu at the right hand corner. Now, go ahead and enter your credentials and log into your account by clicking on the login button. But if you are not enrolled into online banking yet and you'd like to do so, you can click on this personal account tab or your business account tab according to your choice. In my case, since I want to enroll in personal account, let me click on this personal account option. On the next page, you'll be able to see your online enrollment form in the display. Now, start off by typing in your first name in the first text box where it says first name. Now head over to the next box and type in your last name. Enter a valid email address that you have an access to in the text box right beneath, and then type in your date of birth information on the next. After you're done, type in your social security number, mention your driver's license number, and then type in your requested login ID in the next box. After you're done, click continue. On the next page, simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to enroll for online banking on Firstrust Bank accounts. With an online banking account, you'll be able to access to your account from anywhere at any time using your mobile devices or your desktop, view transactions, send and receive payments, check your balance, and much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with some more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.